Hi guys, so we are officially back from vacation, as you can see, and today's agenda is getting everything cleaned up. We've been back for about a week, honestly, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vacation videos that we took and used. I am in the process of planning another vacation, so if you would like to see the process of planning and getting all that stuff done, leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to do a series on that also. But yeah, today's agenda is a two-part thing, and I don't know how much I'm going to get done today because my back feels like it's trying to split in two. It honestly feels like it's trying to go out on me again, so I don't know exactly how much I'm going to get done, but I have a lot to do, so hopefully by the end of the week everything will be done. And I gotta clean up the living room and get that all done. And then the second part is outside, and it's still beautiful right now. It's supposed to rain here after a bit, but it's not raining yet. So while it's not raining, I think I'm going to work out here first and then work on the living room after, because I can do that while it's raining. I don't have to hurry up and get in out of the weather for that one. But this is what we have to do outside, on top of washing down the trailer, which is going to have to come a little later. But okay, let me get down here so I can show you guys the full aspect of what we got to get done. That way you can appreciate the finished product better. I'm not going to redo the porch or anything right now, as you can see in the background, but we are going to clean it and get that all going. So yeah, I have a canopy laying here that we need to get down around back and cover our wood pile so that A, it's out of my front yard, and B, it's protecting our heat source. And then that right there is just junk that I've already started collecting on the porch that we're getting rid of. And then I've got all that to do. I do need to get some paint and stuff and get stuff accomplished that way, but right now I will settle for just getting it cleaned. And then over here on the side we have a porch that is all dry rotted, and it was supposed to extend this porch and we was going to extend it all the way over, but yeah, that didn't happen. So we're going to get rid of this, and then there's some more boards for that. And then that was a project Gary did. We had an old wagon that was all busted up and everything, so he made a new wagon out of that. So yeah, it is officially spring. Check it out, my pretty little tree. It's so pretty. So while I was waiting for my batteries to charge, we got this done so far. We got this done so far, and that's how much junk I've collected, whatnot. I still got to get some grass seed. We have some straw around back, so we're going to fix this up. And I got this cleaned up so far. We are getting ready to take down this rail, and then I still got the porch to clean, but I'm working on the yard right now while it's not raining. And then the kids, we're going to use this to support our roof. I got Gary and the kids taking apart this other porch over here to see if there's anything salvageable, because as you can see, I need to put a new roof on this thing, and since I'm not working, I can't afford it, so we're going to reuse what we got, hopefully, to do that with. So they're working on taking this apart so we can see what we got. And so yeah, that is what we got done so far, and we're still working on it. I did get the tarp and everything taken around back. I blackmailed Sammy into coming out and helping me, and when Gary and Logan got back, I also blackmailed them into helping me, because, you know, it's just fun that way. So we're getting all this stuff done. Hopefully, it's still not raining yet, but it's super windy, so I apologize if you're hearing the wind in the video, but it's a really pretty day so far. You can see all the clouds and everything. It is supposed to rain. We do have flash flood warnings out until tomorrow, But we're getting our stuff done. Hope you guys are enjoying this weekend as much as we are. And see you back here after a bit. Hopefully you'll have it done and I'll be able to show you some more progress. Well, this is how far we got on that porch. It's raining now, so we gotta stop. He did get my brace cut so that we could put it up to help support this right quick so that we could take this down. So yeah, it's starting to rain pretty good now, so I think we're gonna go in and start inside. All right, part one I guess is gonna have to be done for now. We'll pick up when it quits raining.